Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows Updated Assistant is already running error pop-up that you are receiving on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer with the error message. Windows Update cannot currently check for updates because the service is not running. You may need to restart your computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung update orchestrator service. So kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down, and then locate natin yung update orchestrator service. Ito siya. So, kailangan mo lang mag-double click dito. And then, pop-up itong kanyang properties. So, ang next step dito lang sa general. And then, dito lang sa startup type. Dapat nakaselect dito yung automatic. And then, next step dito sa running ay kailangan mo lang i-click itong stop. And then, wait natin. And then, the next step ay dito sa kanyang service status, and then click mo lang itong start, and then wait natin ulit. And then pagkatapos ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Right? So, ang next step na pwede natin gawin as solutions, so dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, in yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So kailangan lang natin na hintayin ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update Assistant is already running error problem. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.